Kamusta mga ka-business education? Alam mo ba na ang pinakaunang malaking milestone sa personal finance ay hindi 1 million, kundi 100,000 pesos? Yes, ang unang 100,000, yan ang nagiging turning point ng maraming tao. Kasi once na maabot mo yan, mas madali nang mag-level up sa 200,000, 300,000 hanggang 1 million. Pero paano nga ba mag-ipon ng unang 100,000 pesos kahit maliit lang ang kita mo? Tip number 1. Fix your mindset first. Before ang pera, mindset muna. Kung naniniwala ka na, hindi ko kaya mag-ipon, maliit lang ang kita ko. Sa taas ng bilihin, imposibleng mag-ipon. Guess what? Your brain will believe it and your wallet will follow. Pero pag sinabi mong, konti man ang kita ko, kaya ko pa rin magsimula. Nagbabago ang actions mo. Mindset creates habit. Habits create income. And income builds your 100,000. Tip number 2. Know your monthly number. Kung hindi mo alam kung magkano ang pumapasok at lumalabas na pera mo, imposible na maka 100,000 ka. You have to list down your income, expenses like food, transportation, and bills, then also include your luxuries or mga luho. Once makikita mo yung numbers, marirealize mong may pera ka pala, pero hindi mo lang namamanage. Tip number 3. Apply the 70-20-10 rule. Ito ang system ng maraming discipline savers. 70% for needs and living expenses, 20% for savings, and 10% for investments or emergency fund. Kung hindi kaya 20% agad, start with 5%. Consistency is more important than amount. Tip number 4. Automate your savings. Ito ang secret weapon. Kapag manual, lagi mong sasabihin, next time na lang o kaya bukas na lang. Pero pag automatic, hindi ka makakareklamo, hindi ka madedelay, at hindi ka matutukso. Set up auto-transfer every sweldo. Remember, what you don't see, you don't spend. Tip number 5. Start a side hustle. Kung kulang ang income mo, kahit anong tipid, hindi sapat. Kaya kailangan mo ng extra source of income. Part-time online work, selling digital products, selling food, buy and sell, affiliate marketing, or content creation. Your first 100,000 becomes faster kapag may extra kita. Tip number 6. Avoid lifestyle creep. Ito ang reason bakit maraming tao, kahit may increase ng sweldo, lagi pa ring broke. Kapag tumaas ang income, upgrade phone, upgrade food, upgrade travel, upgrade lifestyle. Pero hindi nila naalala, dapat savings ang una, hindi luho. Ang rule is, save first, lifestyle later. Tip number 7. Create a 100,000 goal tracker. Psychological trick na very effective. Gumawa ka ng visual tracker. Pwedeng drawing, progress bar, envelope challenge, or calendar tracker. Every time na maglalagay ka ng amount, nakikita mong lumalaki. And your brain loves progress. This builds consistency. Tip number 8. Say no to unnecessary debt. Maraming Pilipino hindi maka 100,000 dahil credit card utang, gadget loans, buy now pay later, and personal loans for once. Remember, debt kills momentum. Binabawasan niya yung pera na pwede mong ipunin. Kung uutang man, dapat for business, emergency, or income-generating needs at hindi para sa wants. Tip number 9. Live below your current income at least for 6 months. Gusto mo ma-build ang momentum? Try this for 6 months. Magpaka-frugal ka. Less coffee, less food delivery, less impulsive spending, and less online shopping. Hindi ito forever. 6 months lang. And after 6 months, you'll be shocked kung gaano nakalaki ang naipon mo. Tip number 10. Invest early, even small. Para mas mabilis ka maka 100,000, kailangan nating gumamit ng weapon, which is compound interest. Kahit 50 pesos to 100 pesos per day, kapag consistent at naka-invest, lalakas ang tubo. Pwedeng mutual funds, index funds, beginner-friendly stocks, co-op investment, or digital investments. Ang small money today, lumalaki over time. Ayan mga ka-business education. Your first 100,000 is not about income, it's about discipline. Kaya don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share this video.